Hi children, in the last video we have seen the observations of Galileo and the discovery of first law of motion. First law of motion states that body maintains its state of rest or uniform motion along a straight line until and unless an unbalanced force acts on it, which means a body continues to be at rest if it is at rest, and to be in motion if it is in motion, if no unbalanced force is acting on it. This property, to continue in the same state, is known as inertia, and hence first law of motion is also known as law of inertia, because the property inertia is introduced by first law of motion. Then let us state the Newton's first law of motion here. A body continues to be in a state of rest or of uniform motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced external force. This states that there is a natural tendency of all the objects to keep on doing whatever they are doing. All the objects resist changes in their state of motion. In the non-existence of an unbalanced force, that is, in the absence of an unbalanced force, an object in motion will continue this state of motion. Similarly, a stationary object will move only if there is any unbalanced force acting on that. You see a ball at rest here. If no unbalanced force is acting on it, it will continue to be at rest itself. It will not move. To make it to move, we have to apply an unbalanced force there. Then only it will move. Otherwise, it will continue to be at rest. And see here, again the ball is at rest in space. And to make it to move, we have to apply an unbalanced force. As nothing is there to stop the ball, to give an unbalanced force to ball, it will continue its motion forever. Let us state Newton's first law of motion again here. A body continues to be in its state of rest or of uniform motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced external force.